Thank you for joining me. I'm just going to go down one of my nearby lanes. It's quite blustery and I'm hoping that this won't have to be binned for the effects it has on the sound. Hopefully the hedges will protect me from most of the bluster. But last night it was, as we say, blowing a Hooley. And I have to say, I really don't like it when it's like that. I'm apprehensive. My cottage is old and I can hear the slates in the roof rattling, and I've got a few things hanging on the wall outside and they were banging against the wall. I stopped myself going down the what ifs. What if those slates slide? What if that chimney that's above my bedroom, whoops, a car coming into the side. There we are, all done and dusted. I'll keep the camera pointed away from the car. What if that chimney pot should come clattering down? Would it slide down the roof? Would it come through the roof? Dee, stop it. There's nothing you can do about it. Yeah, Mother Nature's disturbing your sleep, but don't let it be disturbed more than necessary by your mind going off on tangents that it needn't do. So obviously I eventually got off to sleep. And I thought, I need to get out this morning. And everywhere smells so fresh. There's a lot of damp leaves on the floor, but that just general freshness has replaced the musty smell of the leaves. So it smells lovely, and I'm doing deep breathing as I walk along, refreshing those parts that really do need refreshing, and smelling, trying to pick up scents. I've just picked up a foxy scent, but apart from that, there's not many scents I can pick up this morning. Oh, but I did, on my morning browse, I had the misfortune of listening to, I know I could have switched it off, but I was drawn in, stupid me, listening to He Who Resides in California talking about scents and bringing back memories for him. Totally agree. Mint sauce for me, and I'm back at home waiting for my dad coming in from work for us to have our lamb chops, new potatoes and vegetables. I can almost taste that meal. One lamb chop that really hadn't got very much meat on it, so it was picked right to the bone and not a morsel wasted. But this person's reflections were about a cream that his mother had used on her lips. But he had problems with his nether regions being affected by frost, and it was recommended that he use this cream, that would work, that would really help him. And I was led down the therapist lane of his words when he said, when I applied it, and I won't go into any further details, I was thinking of my mother. Yeah, no. Oh dear. So, was this true? Was this another of those fables to sell printed matter? Who's to say? But scents, tastes really can provoke memories for all of us. The smell of the sea. Gosh, I don't know when I last saw or smelt the sea. As my grandma used to say, oh, the ozone. Yeah, not good, but that sea breeze with the sound of the waves in the background adding to it, even better. But now I'm getting to a fork in the road, so I'm just watching the clouds with bits of blue popping through, listening to somebody's hanging decoration rattling. Better bring the camera down, the blustering will be taking over. Thank you for joining me on my stroll. I will leave you in peace as I stride out. Take care. Speak to you soon. Bye.